Hi, it's Scott from Invictus Active. Quick video today looking at the JAY Easy Visco cushion. Now we're quite passionate really about cushions in general for wheelchair users. Both myself and Paul, co-founders of Invictus Active, have experienced pressure sores. So we don't like providing the basic foam. Even if you haven't had a pressure sore before, if you're new to using a wheelchair or you're going to be using a wheelchair for a sustained period of time, the last thing you want to be doing is sitting on a small piece of foam. Over time, that's going to A, be uncomfortable and not have any postural support, but B, potentially risk a pressure sore, which is the last thing you want to do, trying to heal a pressure sore. So the JAY Easy Visco is a great option instead of foam. It's not one of the most expensive cushions, but it does have some protection and some posture positioning. It's got some contours which your legs will fit in, and it's got a nice sponge back area where your bum will be sitting. So let's take the cushion off. So first off, we'll take a look at the foam itself. So as you can see, you've got a contour here which your legs will fit in between. So that offers some support in terms of posture. A nice area here which is a lot softer than this foam here. So the foam that's used around this rear section is a lot more dense than this middle section here. So when you're sitting on that is going to be a soft area and really help prevent any pressure areas. If you've experienced pressure sores in the past and you have an ongoing issue, then maybe the JAY Easy Visco is not the best. You might want to go for a higher grade cushion. But from a standard cushion, it is certainly better than some foam and worth considering. So really the main features are, as I say, the contour there for your legs, and this area here, it's not separate, it's all part of the same cushion, but it is definitely a softer material than around the edge. Now as standard, you get this cover with it. So on the bottom, it's quite a thick material, almost grippy, and comes with the Velcro sections which would attach to the top of your chair. You've obviously got a zip all the way around, and then on the top as a standard cover, it's waterproof. It's almost microfiber material like, but it's not fully breathable. Decent quality, zip all around the back up to there. So let's take a look at the other option of the microclimate. So this is the other option, this is the microclimate. It's breathable, it's not incontinence, it's not fully waterproof, although it would take a bit to get completely sodden. The actual foam itself, to be honest, has got like a layer. It's not like a sponge that you feel as though if you poured some water on there now, it's just going to soak like a sponge, like a bath sponge. It's got like a layer on it. So there's a reasonable amount of waterproof or water protection in the foam itself. On the bottom, this is actually the same. So if we get the standard, the bottom is the same. It's the top really that's different, and as you can see, perforated holes. So it's more breathable, and there is a little bit of extra foam in the top. So this layer, which is underneath, has got this sort of foam element. It's not much foam, to be honest. You're probably talking a mil or two of foam underneath, but I guess you'd feel that if you sat on it. So you've got two options with the JAY Easy Visco. You've got the microclimate, you've got the standard, and the foam insert itself would be the same, whichever cover you decided to go for.